Hi, just want to take a few minutes to introduce myself. I'm Melissa DiMaria. I have been a residential real estate agent for the last 18 plus years, all with Keller Williams and all in the Tampa Properties Market Center. I have been a single agent and am now for the majority of my career, and that has been by design. Production wise, I'm consistently 10 to 13 million, 36 to 42 transactions, and I'm consistently in the top five of our market center of close to 400 agents. I have built my business around creating great relationships and creating an outstanding customer experience. My husband and I are investors, and I really enjoy educating agents on how to work with investors and how to become investors themselves. I am a current and past ALC member. I am the education chair for our Agent Leadership Council. I'm the South Florida Regional ALC representative and have had the honor of being the International ALC representative for the South Florida region. The classes that I love to teach are when with buyers. I believe that working with buyers and having a great system for working with them is absolutely critical in our market and in any market. And I also really love the customer experience. Learning how to create raving fans for your business is important to build a business that is sustainable. And of course, I love to teach the six personal perspectives as well. I love teaching. I'm also at Keller Williams University approved instructor, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon.